Hey friends, right there is my washer and dryer. This is utility room. When I did my laundry today, when the washer drained, all of this came up in my shower. I have no idea what the heck that is. Water came up in my sink. It looks sudsy, but it's not dirty. Just got something in it. I don't know what. And water came up in my bathroom between the toilet and the floor. There's a lot of water came up in here. I've used over one roll of paper towel mopping up water in here, and there's still some. And it came up in the bathtub. But it did not come up in this sink. There's a basement below this floor, and I'm crippled. I can't get down in that basement. Can somebody offer me advice on what the heck's going on and what needs to be done to fix it? I can't really afford to pay a plumber. I know how to do plumbing. I just can't get down in the basement. I can't climb stairs. I'm crippled from the waist down. Any advice would be greatly appreciated. Thank y'all.